Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the AirPods Max and your device. First, ensure the headphones have at least 20% battery or charge them for 15 to 30 minutes so the reset completes reliably. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on the paired device and choose Forget this device to remove the pairing profile. This prevents automatic repairing. Place the AirPods Max on a flat surface with the ear cups off your head and have a lightning cable handy. These steps avoid interruptions during the reset process. Now perform the factory reset itself. Press and hold both the noise control button and the digital crown simultaneously for about 15 seconds. You will feel the controls respond. Keep holding until the LED indicator flashes amber and then white, which signals the unit erased paired data and restarted its firmware state. Once you see the white flash, release both buttons. Make sure your phone or Mac is nearby and Bluetooth is on so you can confirm the AirPods Max appears as a fresh device to pair. Finish by repairing. Bring the AirPods Max close to your device and follow the on-screen pairing prompts, or use Bluetooth settings to select them manually. If they do not appear, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and try the factory reset one more time. Sometimes, a second attempt clears stubborn pairing records. If resets fail, or the LED never flashes amber then white, reset the device's network settings or contact Apple support. Persistent LED issues often indicate a hardware or firmware fault that needs service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.